I watch them on the German represent for Lion Foot TV. Yeah, real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Foot TV. Yeah, man, give thanks to life, health, and strength. On Wednesday morning, the 30th of August. We are soon back to school. Big up all of the parents them where I work hard to send them skill back to school and them kids back to school. So me I say, yeah man. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, if you're new to the platform, you don't know, please make yourself at home welcome. Thank you for your continuous support. Please consider subscribing, click the bell. We are aiming to 14k. Yeah man, let the channel grow. You don't know why, so we keep it real on the battlefield. Coming up in this vlog is another update. Medikk, the artist slash actor, actress. Yeah, she's still missing and there's an outcry. The police now got involved and put up her picture, and big up all the people who are support her, post her picture and things. So me I say, yeah, Shelly and Coran first brought the news. That's how I became aware of it, and I played my part by doing so. Yeah man, we also want to check out that song from Outlaw, one of my brother, we run it off at the studio. Yeah, you see me, brilliant. You see me? Really? Yeah man, and big up, the song name Flood It Out now, so we're going to look a snippet. You see me? And then Malie freed from Barbados, cleared of all charges. Should I say that? Yeah, he broke silence. So me I say, but before we get into it, yeah man, let's check out that song. Flood It Out now from Outlaw.
Me a rock socks and crooks, shell down the bar, yo, that's on us. When you see me, yo, me have lots of stuff. Me a girl there and lots of talk is cheap. Dollars me a hunt when me want this street. Just make a aim, so me start this week. Everybody know the outlaw, this street money in my pocket, now cause mischief. Never tell a lie, girl, just get shift. Light up a spliff, I know when or if. Don't fuck around, better stick to the script. Push me, me feel like me there Cardiff. Roll it on my wrist, flood it, no.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, big yourself, Outlaw. Go and do the thing, brother. I see the growth, I see the progress. Yeah man, never stop. Then, now my viewers and subscribers, Medikk. The Medikk is still missing, Zine, and is over a week now, and it's very concerning. Her mother is worried, she's distraught, depressed, you know what I mean? Everybody concerned. Nice, pretty girl, man. Look how she pretty and cute, man. Yo, me not lie. All of the pretty girl I'm missing. She remind me of Daniel. Let's see Daniela, you see me? Yeah, man. But my viewers now subscribe. Anybody know anything? I hope and pray. I hope and pray she's okay. Zine, I hope and pray she is okay. And to the ladies, them, the young girls, them, if you meet anyone, make sure somebody close to you know where you're going, who you're in talking to, who you're gonna meet up with. You see me? Because you see all Jamaica around right now, it's not safe. And my fellow Jamaicans be safe out there. Trust no one. You see me? Yeah, but let us pray and hope Medikk is okay. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, I hate that man. Now moving on to Malie, artist, the V6 artist. First broke out on the scene, you know what I mean? Yeah, with him V6 and thing. And we saw the news, he was arrested. Him and Panther son and about 4 or 5 of them, the crew of them. That man show a Barbados, and they must on their way back and they were arrested at the airport, and you know what I mean? But it cleared now. I never run with that arrested vlog, but I mean I wait for see what I go on. But we see him break silence now and say police drop all charges after doing their checks, and she said no crime was committed. But the girl allegedly say them drugged, she got link one of the man them out of the gang, and she was drugged and taken advantage of. You see me? So we don't know what going on. You don't know Lion Foot. Nobody them, I don't know, but just read power out there. But my advice to the man them and the artist them and the runner them and the footballer them, when you're a celebrity, you're a target, easy prey. But you have some wicked woman out there. I'm not taking up a Malie than no one, but I'm just speaking on a natural fact. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. Yes man, a full-time, the man them wake up, the artist them, Zine and don't chop on the guard. Could have easily get charged for the RAPE, you see me? For some other country, maybe they will, you know, take it further, or if for some uncle, some country, a white man, you know? But then, you know, so they don't like this color skin them. Is it? So, yeah, man. And just be careful out there. You go on tour, not necessarily can't have fun in there, but just don't drop on the guard. And, you know, we don't promote violence against women. So, I love what the artist say. You see me, him not hurt woman, him love woman too much to hurt them. You see me? That's Malie statement, you see it? Yeah, man, so we go down a quick snippet of what Malie say, you see it? Yeah, man, and that them want see, man, non-stop, the artist said, while his friend chimed in, what them want see, them nah see. Yeah, love the girl them too much for hurt the girl them. Man, you hear that? Some boy and some girl like that, you know, want to see. You hear that? Malie I did. Yeah, so love the woman them and not hurt them. You see me I say? Yeah, man, the relationship now work, walk away, and if she say no, don't force her and take it, even for your woman or your wife. Yeah, that can be class or deemed as, you don't know, RAPE, all love and take. So, that's it for the vlog. Big up on yourself, and don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell. You know what I mean? We say, time and time we see footballers get caught up in another trap there, another predicament there. Mostly footballers still, you see it? So, whenever you're out in the world or you meet a nice girl, just be careful. So I say, don't drop a guard and don't use blue force or force. You see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So my fellow Jamaicans, be good, be safe. I remember, you know what I mean, medikk. We're in search of medikk. Anybody know anything? Reach out to the police or a family member. As I say, nice pretty girl medikk has been missing over a week now. And also, them say, allegedly them say, they told her she was a video shoot. They want her in a video shoot from Malie. While you see Malie was in Barbados, so that make it spooky and suspicious. Because if them tell her, say, her manager tell her, say, they want her in a video from Malie, must be the day before, and then them change it to the another day. And from that, she cannot be found or seen. Is it? So, I don't know what I'm going to go on my viewers and subscribers, but once again, I hope she's okay, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I know the man of peace, and say live in love and unity, strength, you know what I mean? And don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. But yeah, so we keep it real on the battlefield. And anyone has any story wants to share, reach out to me on Lionfoot Instagram. Then, yeah, man, because I see some people say they want somebody to talk to, but they don't know who to talk to about their situation that they have faced when in them younger days, you know. Enough people out there have been abused, you know. Yeah, man, and RAPE, and I keep it as a secret and I die with it. You see what I say? So, I'm here to listen, you know what I mean? Depression, anything at all, reach out, because you know, I go through my depression phase as well. You see it, viewers and subscribers. So, yeah, man, that's the thing, man. You see it? Well, yeah, man, well, I still big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, and remember, love is the order, love is the way. Is it? Blessed love. Full shots. Gone.
I'm a victim of rape. It happened to me at a tender age. I didn't say yes, I didn't give my consent. It was my worst experience.